Hello everyone, let's learn how to mute TikTok videos when you open the app. Have you ever opened your TikTok app only to be startled by the noise from the first video? TikTok has your back as they've now released a new feature where users can open the app and have the videos muted. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open TikTok app on your device. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, then you need to click on last option settings and privacy. Now scroll a little down to find playback option, and when you find, click on it. So on first option, videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. But if you want to unmute, tap to unmute videos, or use your device's volume controls. So click on this button to enable this option, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.